and it just doesn't work. And you're like, why can't my tokens be transferred?
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So tonight's video we're going to talk about how to transfer your OKS tokens. For whatever reason you've tried to transfer your tokens to an exchange or use the swap tool that's built into the network, and it just doesn't work, and you're like, why can't my tokens be transferred? Well, there's a very simple reason for that. So head on over to oikos.cash and click on the minter. Next. Also, make sure that your node is set to Tron stack. This gives the best results. And go ahead and log in. Alright, once you're logged in, the interface loads up and you see where it says transferable is 0. And you're like, what in the world? Why does it say 0? Well, that's because you have synthetic debt. When you mint SUSD, okay, it creates debt. Like you can see, I have $2,900 in SUSD and I have $28.99 in debt. So, right, look at burn, and you can see if I click on transferable tokens, it says 0. And you're like, what in the world is going on here? That's because you have a debt. So even if you go over to swap, okay, so go to oikos.cash, you go to swap, and you go to TRX, and you click on Oikos, and let's say you buy some Oikos tokens. Oh, I don't have enough here. 800. Those tokens, even though they're brand new tokens, will be auto-locked by the contract, so they will not be transferable. So let's say you bought some on Who. You send them to your address, they're not going to be transferable. They're instantly locked by the contract. So first and foremost, if you want to swing trade OKS, I would do it on a wallet that is not in the system, meaning it is not staked. You have not hit mint, okay, on an address that you've never hit mint on, okay? So here's the key. If you want to trade your OKS, you have to pay off your debt. The only way to pay off your debt is to click on burn. You click on burn, and I say burn max. If I actually did this and I hit view transferable, you can see that it actually unlocks my tokens, non-escrowed tokens, of course, meaning ones that you have not gotten from the escrow pool, right? So these tokens, if I hit burn max, 28.90 to 75, pay off all my debt, then I would have these tokens moved into the transferable bucket, and then I would be able to send them in my Tron link just like any other Tron transaction, TRC20. So once again, if you're going to swing trade this, do it in a fresh wallet that you have not hit the mint button ever on. It's got to be a fresh wallet. Otherwise, new tokens when transferred to your staked wallet or bought on swap will be auto-locked by the system. Okay? And number two, if you want to transfer some tokens, you have to pay your debt to 0. Yes, 0. Now, there's nothing to say that you couldn't remit. Let's say I wanted to sell a couple. I could burn, I could pay my debt off, and then I could remint, and then I'm going to be reminted back to the 750%. So that's tonight's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the OKS playlist. I'll post that down below. And as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.